Hi friends, in this video you will understand how to design a custom hook. The custom hook like use toggling. You will find a lot of couple of use cases of the custom hook use toggling. I will tell you some of the examples like toggling your side menu, showing your drop down, showing your modal, like adding controllers to audio video files, players, also handling the state like loading and many things. So we can design a custom hook that could help you to optimize your component local state, that could help you to minimize the number of renders in the component. So in this video we will understand the how to design custom hook, and we will see how we can reduce the number of renders of a component and how we can reduce or how we can optimize your personal state of a component. So because in a lot of places we use booleans for handling the logical, for loading, toggling, switching buttons and many things generally. So let's do the quick implementation of the custom hook use toggle. So here this is my project, it's running, metro bundler is running here. Let's refresh it, and this is our emulator. So what we will do just very simple implementation, just remove everything except the react and down, and like that I have removed everything. So now let's create the app again. So this is our arrow function, and here just return very simple UI. We need very simple UI so that we can test our custom hook. Let's make this very simple UI. Pass a text here. It is very simple text, and just here write a variable like it's on, so that we can check if it is on, so it will show the on. If it is off, will show the off, like this. And here we will write a on press function so that we can switch the value on press. Okay, just a second, let's import first everything, because if we are not importing then we can't get the suggestions for the properties. Import all of this using this view and text, also a style sheet from the React Native, from React Native. So I'm using React Native 0.76.6, it's the latest. So this is how we can, let's create here your style sheet dot create. We will use the create function here, and we will define our main container. So just give the flex one and justify center, and also align item center so that we can see it clearly. So this is your style, just pass it to the main container. Yeah, this is it. Here this is a variable, and these are strings generally which we will be displayed. Let's write a state here. Here is on, set is on, keep the default state as false. This means it's off, it's off. If it is, it's off now. Now let's write a function here with the, just pass directly, or we can simply write here toggle or something. We don't have to write actually. We will write this custom hook and then we will import it here. This is how generally we do. Now we will write our own custom hook. Now here in this file app, I will create a file custom use toggle.js, and let's give it name use toggle. So you must know, whenever you are making any custom hook, its name should start with the use word. So always remember this use toggle. So this is your custom hook, and you will give it initial value to it, initial value, and this. Now just write your state here, like current state and set state. Use state and take the initial value in that which we will receive from the component, and here write just very simple function handle change, and the handle change will toggle this value What you will do, instead of writing this function for the optimization purpose, what we will do, we will use a use callback. You know the use callback hook. We will pass this callback inside this and the empty array here. So use callback caches a function. Now it will cache this function, and here we will check set state. We'll take its previous value, and here just do one thing, just do the negation of the previous value. So we use negation operator. So because we don't have to receive the previous value or the updated value, because we know we just have to negate the previous value whenever we are calling. So it is empty state array here. So it will cache this function. Now what you will do, just return your array. Inside the array you need to pass your current state and the method handle change. So you are returning an array because we will use the array destructuring in the component. So let's import this use toggle. So we need to export it as well. Just remember this, export default as use toggle. Now you will be able to access it in the app.tsx use toggle. So this is how you can use it, and just simply pass it here on press. You must remember we have on press on the text here. Just do nothing, you don't have to pass anything here, you must know. So just call it like that. So this is how you can switch it. So you don't have to use the use state here, you can remove it completely. Yeah, this is how you can do it. These are quotation problem. Let's fix it for everything. Now it is also fixed. Now check any issues there. You can fix everything for this. Yeah, it is expecting, yeah, like this. It is like that. So everything is fixed now. Now let's test your custom hook. So here let's reload it and see the output. You have off button, and now click on it. Now it has changed to on, off, on, off, on, off. Let's make it more visible so that you guys can see it very clearly. Let's give it here some style here. Let's declare a style here. It's very easy. Your text style. Give some proper names. Let's give a color. Let's give it a blue color, and give some font size. Let's give it 24. Let's see font weight. Keep it bold. Now let's see it. Like this, we use style dot text style. So this is how you can write your component. Now let's reload. Let's check it. So you got the off, on, off, on, off, on. So you must have noticed this kind of functionality in switching buttons, radio buttons, multi-selects, and many places. Suppose you have a list of data. In that data you can pass it's selected, not selected. How can you manage this? Every time you are rendering your component, you are rendering this. So you should use callback hook so that it can optimize the number of renders. So this is how you can implement the custom hook. This is done, guys. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. I don't have any subscribers anymore.